Equivalent weight of an acid can be calculated by dividing the molecular mass of the acid by the basicity of that acid. For example, we know that molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98, whereas basicity of H2SO4 is 2. So the equivalent weight of H2SO4 should be 98 by 2 equal to 49. Similarly, we can find out the equivalent weight of a base by dividing the molecular mass of the base by the acidity of the base. For example, if we want to calculate the equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide, the molecular mass of calcium hydroxide is 74 and the acidity of calcium hydroxide is 2. So the equivalent weight of calcium hydroxide is equal to 74 by 2, that is 37. How to find out the equivalent weight of a salt? To find out the equivalent weight of a salt, we have to divide the molecular mass of the salt by the product of number of cation or anion and the charge of cation or anion. Here, if we take the number of cation, then we have to take the charge of the cation. And if we take the number of anion, then we have to take the charge of the anion. For example, if we want to calculate the equivalent weight of calcium chloride, then we have to find out the molecular mass of the calcium chloride, that is 111. Now here the number of calcium ion, that is cation, is 1 and the charge of calcium ion is 2. So the equivalent weight of calcium chloride is equal to 111 by 1 into 2, that is 55.5.